Welcome back to Hanging with Denim Girl. I am back again with another video. Those of you that's new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video as well. Well, today guys, I will be in the kitchen. Dinner consists of spaghetti with corn and garlic bread. So come along and I hope you guys enjoy. Happy Sunday, guys. Today I will be cooking spaghetti. Yes, it is spaghetti day. I usually do like a Sunday dinner on Sundays, not every Sunday. But today I decided to do spaghetti. So we just got out of church, changed clothes and everything. So we're going to do spaghetti today, okay? Let me show you what we have. Okay, we got the Prego meat sauce. We got 2 of those, and some corn, 2 cans of corn, and 2 pounds of spaghetti. And as you see, my husband bought thin spaghetti. I don't use thin spaghetti, so therefore I won't be cooking that. I will do, I've got some in the cabinet, so I'll do the regular spaghetti, which I think this is a pound. I have 2 of those, so I'm gonna do 2 pounds of that. Okay. All right, my thing fell. And I'm cutting up some onions, and I do have a green pepper. Now, I don't know what you guys put in your spaghetti, but I do the Mao Italian sausage, as well as the ground beef. So the one that he got is the ground beef, 73% lean and 25% fat. That was $9.44. Y'all, this meat is expensive. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the spaghetti. I also have garlic bread. I put that in the refrigerator. So I'll be doing that as well. Yes, guys, we say the best for last. Now, this watermelon was grown in our garden, which is located in our backyard by my husband, aka Garden by the Barn. He do have a YouTube channel, guys, so check out his YouTube channel. He will show you all different types of tips on how to grow vegetables as well as fruit, like this watermelon. Now, as you can see, he already cut out the red part of this watermelon, and it is not seedless. Of course, you can see the seeds right there. The name of this watermelon is the Crimson Sweet watermelon, is if I'm pronouncing it right, but it appears to taste sweet. If you're wanting or trying to grow a garden, check out his YouTube channel so he can get you started on how to grow a garden. Well, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching Hanging with Denim Girl. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video as well, and guys, ring that bell so you can be notified when I put up another video. All right, see y'all on the next one.